Hello everyone, my name is Mari Sengo. I'm a student at Kepler. Now I've been taking the module for 4 weeks, which is called Quality Improvement in Healthcare. Quality improvement in healthcare is the way how health industries like hospitals improve their services which they provide to the patient so that they can achieve the best quality. So welcome to this presentation. I'm going to talk about how healthcare quality look in developing country, risk that patient may face due to the lack of quality of care, the area in healthcare industry which needs more emphasis, and lastly, we talk about the things that the stakeholders of healthcare industry should take into consideration. For the first question, which is how healthcare quality look in developing countries. Actually, the developing countries are those countries which are not developed. It means that they are poor. Their level of income is very low. Uh, their physicians are unskilled because they don't have enough salary to pay to those physicians who are skilled. The skilled physician, they ask the high salary, and the industry will not be able to pay that amount which they want. So in that case, they will hire those people which are not skilled. The services which will be offered by those physicians are not sufficient, are poor. It means that the services which they will offer to the patient, like the drugs which they give to the patient, uh, they are not sufficient. You may find that the physician is not able to know the drugs which is related to the illness. So in that case, it may create many problems to the patient. Uh, Also, you can find that they can't be able to change the drugs. Once the patient come at the second time, they will not be able to refer to the previous data so that they can change the drugs. In short, that's how that are the characteristic of healthcare quality in developing countries. For the second question, risk that patient experiencing due to the lack of quality of care. The patient may face many problems, many risks. For instance, the patient may get infectious diseases caused by the darkness which is in the environment of health industry. The second risk is that the patient may get also communicable disease. That's why, for instance, you can find that many patients are concentrated in the same rooms because they don't have enough equipment. So in that case, people who is suffering tuberculosis will contaminate the one who has non-communicable disease. Also, there is another risk is that the patient may get chronic diseases. For instance, if the patient can't get the drugs which are not related to his illness, in that case, his illness can be developed into another one which is very serious. For instance, sinusite can be developed to asthma. For the third question, the area which need much emphasis in terms of quality improvement in health industries, on my side, I think the health industry must put more emphasis on the equipment. I say this because Uh, in our country, we have many skilled people. We have many doctors who studied in foreign countries in medicine. So if we have enough equipment, we can be able to find people to use them because we have skilled people in our country. That's how I chose this. And then for the last question, the things that the stakeholders of healthcare industry should take into consideration. The first one, every stakeholder has to know his role, which he's supposed to do. And for instance, the cleaners have to make sure that all the environment in the health industry is cleaned. Like they have to make sure that the rooms are very clean. The chairs where the patient must sit will be cleaned. So that the stakeholders, every stakeholders, including health providers, have to know what they are supposed to do. And the second one, the health industry need to have enough equipment so that they can avoid the disorders like many patients in the rooms. So they have to make sure that they have enough rooms. Like they need to have the rooms for people who have communicable disease and those one who have non-communicable disease. And the third one, the health industry need to keep the previous information for the patient, sorry. I say this because uh, once the patient come at the second time while having the same drugs, so it's better to refer to the previous information so that they can change the drugs. So this is the end of this presentation. Thank you very much.